My name is Rob Scallon, and I can teach you how to play the guitar. But how do I make my guitar course not lame? I've been on a spiritual quest through this desert, trying to answer that very question. People want to play the guitar, because of course, guitar is fantastic, it's the best. And I know that every stage of playing guitar, even right at the beginning, can be extremely fun. But if I just make a course where I'm throwing endless exercises at you, what's the point? People want to play music, be creative. That's what people want to do. I got it. Let's just do that. I'm not just gonna sit in the studio and throw endless exercises and information at you. This is gonna be an adventure. We're gonna shoot a music video, play shows, make commercial jingles, rock out ridiculously hard. There's no need for your goals to feel far away. We're gonna play a full song, jam, and get you writing your own music right in the first lesson. Even if you've never held a guitar before, I know you can do it. 9 levels, 9 missions, that once you complete, you have everything you need to be a guitar player. And keep our focus on having fun. Playing songs, jamming, writing music, being creative. What's not fun? Boring music theory, endless exercises, getting frustrated. And the music theory, the technical whatever, that'll come in when we need it. But if it doesn't help us write that commercial jingle or whatever it is we're doing, then we're not doing it. My name is Rob Scallon, and this is GuitarQuest.
All right, that's the last shot. Thank you. So we've been working on this guitar course, me and the team, for the last year. And we wanted to make the most fun possible beginner guitar course. So it's for people who maybe you've been playing for a bit and you want to sharpen your skills, or if you've never held a guitar before. And if you never held a guitar before, the first thing we do is a song in an hour challenge. We get you playing a song right away. Skip all the boring stuff. And we have a 90-day guarantee on the course, so you can give that a try. And if you're not into it, no hard feelings. Also with 90 days, you could go through the entire course, and if you don't like it, then that's totally okay. But I think you're really gonna like it. I'm so proud of this course. Been working on it so hard this last year, and our goal was to make the most fun, most accessible beginner guitar course, and I think we might have done it. So there's some buttons on screen, I'm sure somewhere, if you want to give it a try. Looking forward to seeing you there and seeing your progress. And regardless if you get the course, I think you should pick up a guitar anyway. This might be the most fun way to do it, but regardless, guitars are fantastic. So, okay, maybe I'll see you there.
Yeah!